Welcome back to Life on Greenwood, everyone. We got some new dahlias and we're going to plant them up. So I just came back from Ocean State Job Lot and I was with Garden Girl there, and we ended up getting some more plants. We got I've been wanting some dahlias, but I'm wanting some dahlias of like a different variety. So this is what I got. We're doing after school pickup, so the girls are here. But never mind them. Anyways, this is a little haul. They had pancakes for their after school snack. So this is a little haul. This is a protein drink that I use. Ooh, laughing, giggling. This is a protein drink that I use, and it's usually on sale. This is Ocean State Job Lot, so it's usually on sale for like $12.99, and I got it for $6.99, right? Yes, I did. I did. So I ended up getting 2 of them. I like them because 25 grams of protein, right? Plus 4 grams of the greens. That's why I like it. So I got 2 of these, the mixed berry kind. First I grabbed the chocolate, but I really don't. I mean, I'll drink the chocolate, but I really prefer to drink this. I add bananas and strawberries to mine in the morning, and that's it.
Other fruits?
No, just bananas and strawberries. That's what I like mine. We actually we were going for looking for dahlias, which is what we went for. What is this? We were really looking for dahlias because I wanted to try a different variety of dahlias than what I already have. So we got these dahlias, Pinky Promise.
Those are not Pinky Promise.
That's what it says. That's what the sign says. It's so funny. It's Garden Girl with the, you know. And this is Midnight Mantra. So I'm looking forward to these. What do you say about planting?
What's the other flowers?
Oh, with another one in here. Garden Girl picked up this one. A Shasta Daisy. She and I talking about the difference between annuals and perennials. So she was kind of looking through the there, trying to decide which was an annual, which was a perennial. She picked up the Shasta Daisies. We're gonna try this, see if it works. Oh, it's so bright in here. Let me get the light. Yeah. As I was saying, Shasta Daisies. I was pointing out to Garden Girl the differences between annuals and perennials, and she chose the Shasta Daisies. And we picked up some snacks. We did. A sweet, what did I tell you? One
Sweet and salty.
Sweet and salty. Sweet and salty snacks. We got, this was a salty snack. This must be something new. Have you heard this before?
I've seen them.
Okay. That's a salty. And this is the sweet. Jolly Rancher gummies.
Ooh, those are good.
Are they really?
Yeah.
We'll have to do a taste test. Let's do that. Let's get the scissors. We have to do a taste test here on these. Before my video cut off, we were doing, well, let me adjust this. We got something sweet. Oh, no.
Sweet. That's sour.
No, not sour.
That's sour.
Salty. Sweet and salty. Sweet and salty. All right, so we're going to do a taste test with these. You want to try one too? Let's see. What color is that?
Red with cherry.
I'll get it too. Take another one.
This is cherry.
What flavors did you get, Dad?
Cherry and cherry.
Why do I see blue in here?
This is blue blues.
Yeah,
This
there's
is the best flavor.
Blue is what?
The
Blue
best
is
flavor.
the best flavor.
Cause like everyone like blue Gatorade, blue, everyone just loves blue. So they of course put the least. I don't want to.
I got two.
Very good.
I don't know.
What do you think they taste like?
It tastes kind of like a Jolly Rancher, but not so like a Jolly Rancher. But it's still really good.
They don't taste like what were you saying? They taste like something else before? Some other kind of candy? Some other kind of
Me?
gummy? No, I think candy. Some other kind of candy?
No.
Similar? Not like dots or anything, right?
Mm-hmm.
I love dots.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I like dogs too.
Yeah. I love dots.
Me too.
They remind me of like Welch's fruit snacks a little,
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay.
but just a little.
Mm-hmm.
They mainly taste like Jolly Ranchers. They're
They
not
are.
that bad. Not that bad.
Okay. So that's a little haul from what's the store?
Ocean State Job Lot.
Ocean State Job Lot. So thank you guys for checking out Life on Greenwood, because we're getting ready to, Garden Girl and I are going to get into some more planting of these. There we are. There we are. Because tomorrow is spring. Tomorrow's the first day of spring. Yeah. One little thing.
Don't look at me. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
I put them on the seat. Yeah, it does.
No.
Oh, no. No, wait. She's trying to show us her new overalls that she's going to be wearing when she's out in the garden. So she got new ones. I got new ones. So we're ready for the spring.
You did not get any.
I did. I showed you the pictures. They're short. I showed you the green ones. They're short though.
You did not.
Oh my God.
You did not get them.
I showed you.
No,
The
you
man
were, so you were reviewing. So you had to review it, but it said you can't review them.
No. These are garden. These are.
But the other ones, the white ones.
No, I didn't get them.
You couldn't. It's so blood and green.
Right. Anyway, listen, we're going to take this offline and figure out what Garden Girl's talking about. But anyway, thank you for coming back to Life on Greenwood. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.